Good afternoon, good morning, good night, everybody. We from Group 3. We will broad presented secure socket layer.
Yeah.
Okay, SSL. Before we presented, let me introduce myself first. My name is Hafizh Sulistianto.
My name is Yovie Maurizka. We will discuss about SSL. What is SSL? History of SSL. Type of SSL. How to work with SSL. The function of SSL and advantage or disadvantage of SSL. First, I will explain about SSL. SSL is standard security technology for establishing an encrypted link between a web server and a browser. This link ensures that all database between the web server and the browser remain private. Okay, next, history of SSL.
In the history of SSL, secure socket layer first appeared in the 1996, developed by Netscape. Netscape in the 1990 become the browser with the mass user. Before the day of the Internet Explorer browser, finally in the 2003, SSL certificate began to taken by United States improvement of the Internet. And then next type of secure socket layer.
And then SSL have three type. First is domain validation. Domain validation is an SSL certificate for entry-level classes with an easy validation level and the fastest process. And next is organization validation. Organization validation is suitable for websites that require user password and store customer data. And then last is extended validation. For those of you who want to business website, online shop or e-commerce to have a highest trust level, it is highly recommended to use AV SSL. Okay, next, we will explain about how to work with SSL.
In SSL, how to work SSL work? Simply put, an SSL certificate secure the process of the transporting data delivery between on the web server and web browser, aka client, and exchanging data between the server. When data exchange occurs to server and client. And first, SSL have a alter protocol. In the alter protocol, alert protocol states the SSL certificate will filter the data sent to by line and the client to the server. And second, SSL have a handshake protocol. At the stage of handshake protocol, encryption algorithm cheaper negotiation takes place while a server to authentication. And last, SSL have a record protocol. Record protocol is at the record protocol stage. Encryption of all data transmission take the place. And next, function of SSL.
Function of SSL is main function is to maintain the security and confidently of the data when conducting transactions. The security is active to contribute to creating trust and security when website visitor make transaction on your website. Okay, and then we will explain about advantage and disadvantage.
In advantage, SSL have a authentication, confidentiality, and integration. In advantage SSL, authentication is this system allow you to able to ensure the message received to client to server. And confidentiality, This system allows to protect your message from the people who do not have the right to read the message in the data traffic. And last, integrity. Integrity is the system can ensure your message is the authentication does not experience change in the data during the course of the transmission. And next, this disadvantage.
Okay, I will explain about disadvantage of SSL. In disadvantage, SSL has almost every browser already supports the SSL protocol. And then next, the browser you are using is not compatible with SSL certificate. And then if you switch hosting, then you must generate the new CSR code, and then the new CTR must be generated. And last is requires additional resource on the server where the information you send must be encrypted by the server. Okay.
Remember, we say, if you can make it good, at least make it like good. Thank you.
Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.